Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys aren't interested, then definitely keep on watching.
Okay divas, so jumping right in, today I wanted to let you guys know that this is a special video. It is a collab with Beautiebymark. She is absolutely fabulous, so we decided to go ahead and collab today. Make sure you guys head over to her channel and check out her video. We did both do the same unit unknowingly, but make sure you guys go ahead and check her out. So jumping right in, today we have Outre Neesha 208. I have her in the color number 1B. So this is how she looks. She has that beautiful texture and a questionable part, but we will work it out in the end. So this is how she looks straight onto my head, and it doesn't look too bad. I love her density and her curls. She is so gorgeous. So this is how she falls on me. She falls at about a 26 to 28 inch on me. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a normal amount of shedding and tangling, especially with this texture and type of hair. I felt like it was pretty standard and really normal. As far as the cap construction, I feel like it is average to big head friendly, but if you have a smaller head, all you do is use the adjustable straps. So now I'm just going to go in and make the unit work for me, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we have the Outre Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. I have her in Neesha 208 and I have her in the color number 1B. This was like a highly requested unit. Like, I was actually really surprised. Like, I was not expecting to get requests on this unit, but I did get a lot of requests to try out this unit, so I was like, why not? Was I gonna try it on my own? Probably not, because I don't know. Like, I don't know how I feel about the new Neeshas. I definitely feel like they are I feel like they're a lot better than the old Neesha, because I might be telling, you know, how long I've been on YouTube, but I tried the original Neesha and I absolutely love it. That one was like very rough, and like it was like, you know, when nobody knew how to do the kinky texture with the synthetic wigs. So I was a big fan of that, but sometimes I just feel like with these, because I've tried a few other ones, sometimes they're just very hit and miss, so I always have mixed feelings about picking these units up on my own. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the details and the specs. So I don't think that this unit has too many claims. Let me look at it. Like, I'm not seeing like a claim list, so we're just gonna go off of like what I feel about this unit. So I really do love this unit. Actually, I'm very surprised. I thought that I was just not going to like it at all. And I'll get into why. So let's go ahead and start off with the cons. So my biggest con with this unit is definitely the parting space. So it looks good now. Like, once you apply powder to it, it looks absolutely phenomenal, but before you do that, like, it was looking horrible. And I just feel like with all the amazing parting spaces that Outre does, I feel like the parting could have been a little bit better, and it's only because of what I've seen them produce. You guys know I love Outre, so it's no shade, it's just constructive criticism. I just felt like the part was a little tight, and I was like, and that's what made me a little hesitant about trying the other new Neeshas that came out. Of course, if you guys want me to try out something, that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it for my divas, but for me personally, I don't know. But as you guys can see, if you put powder in the parting space, it does look good, so that's really good. Another thing, do I have any more cons? I think that's the only con, honestly. I was not expecting this to come with like a pre-plucked hairline or anything, so yeah, I didn't have any expectations with that, and I feel like personally this unit does not need that. You don't need the pre-plucked part, because this is kind of like one of those throw on and go units, and throw on and go to the point where you can still look cute but just throw on your unit. So I don't feel like it necessarily needs a nice plucked part. I mean plucked hairline, not plucked part. Like, we needed a little better part. As far as the pros for this unit. I absolutely love the style and the texture of the hair. The hair is textured, but although it's textured, it does not have that rough feel, and I just really love and appreciate that. And the curls are just absolutely beautiful, and I love how voluminous the hair is as well. I don't like when I have a unit and it's curled and it doesn't have volume, so I absolutely love this. So kudos to Outre for that, like this, because this unit is definitely beautiful. I also really love the long layers, and I love the fact that they did the long layers the way that they did, because it allows for you to shift the wig. Now you may be a little bit uncomfortable. For me, I just tucked it behind my ear a little bit. It's a little bit uncomfortable, but only because my ears are like small, so but you could just like shift the wig and it'll still be comfortable. I feel like it looks good as a side part for me personally, and you guys know I love middle parts, but for me personally it just didn't look good on me as a middle part. But I feel like as a side part it looks really good. But yeah, they gave you layers so that you can be able to, like, you know, shift the wig if you want to. So I do love the length as well, because it allows like for that glamorous look. Now, is this an everyday wig in my personal opinion? No, I don't think so. Well, depending on what kind of diva you are, it might be, okay? But for me, I definitely would not do this for every day. And I am a fabulous diva, but I can't rock with her every day, especially not in these hot months, okay? So yeah, but overall I think she is very beautiful. I think you pull her out like when you want to go on a special occasion, such as like date night or a special dinner, a birthday party, or even your own birthday or something like that. I definitely feel like she is good for that. Or if you're just around the house and you want to just do yourself up and just look very glamorous for yourself or for a significant other or whoever you want to look good for, I think this is definitely the unit for you. As far as like price point, I feel like the price point is very decent. I believe it's under $40, which I think is really good. This is definitely a really good throw in and go unit, so I would definitely recommend it, okay? Because she's cute. I mean, at first I didn't know how I was gonna feel about her, but I definitely feel like she is like very cute. She does have shedding and tangling, which is to come, because I mean it's a part of the territory. This is a kinky like texture synthetic wig, so it comes with the territory, but it wasn't anything excessive to the point where I'd be like, no girl, I ain't gonna be able to do it, okay? Like, it's definitely just normal. So yeah, overall I would recommend this unit. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.